And the only thing that left to finish the platform is to connect it to an actual domain, okay? Because currently it will be in this subdomain with Lovable app, and we don't want it. So to make a custom domain, first we need to buy a domain. So I will show you how we do it. I personally love GoDaddy. It's like a service that just let you buy domains. There are several more. I think the most famous one is Cloudflare. I don't really like their UI. And you can also buy in Hostinger. Now, honestly, all of them do the same thing. You don't really need too much features just to control the domain settings. We will continue with GoDaddy, okay? So, I'm going to buy the cheapest one because it's just for the course. So let's write here clip caption and see what kind of domains he will offer me. Yeah, so you could see immediately that the AI ones are the most expensive ones. Be careful with the one that the really cheap one. They usually want you for like 3 years. Yeah, I think I will take this one. It's 7 shekels, which is like around $1.50. Yeah, let's buy it. Okay. I will go to the cart. This one I don't need. He immediately tried to upsell me to 5 years. I will change it to 1 year. And now it's 7. Great. You don't need any of those stuff. Don't listen to them. Unless you maybe want a custom email with Microsoft, but I personally prefer it to be with Google. Okay, great. Make sure everything is fine. I will finish buying it and will return. Okay, great. So as you can see, I bought it. Let's do complete. Okay, great. So as you can see, we bought it. Let's do continue. Also those stuff, just ignore it. Don't you do any of their like features. It's just annoying. It's just doing problems usually. We don't need all of those stuff. Okay, so after you buy your domain, what you want to do is to make sure you have a DNS settings control, which is here, okay? Now, the next thing we need to do is go to a website called Netlify. Netlify is what going to make us able to connect our lovable code to a custom domain. Okay, it's like a middleman between our domain and lovable. So make an account. Great. Make an account, and then you want to add new sites. We will do import an existing project. Because we are already connected to GitHub, we can just connect to our GitHub projects. And I will choose clip caption. Let's call it. Yeah, so the first thing it's going to do is give you a subdomain inside Netlify. Then we are going to solve it, okay? So yeah, just give it a name. It doesn't really matter. And do deploy. Perfect. Now go to site configuration. Domain management. And here, add a domain. Add a domain you already own. And here we need to write our domain, which is here. Let's copy that. Verify. Now, yeah, so he's saying to us, hey, it's already registered, blah, blah, blah. You need to add DNS records. All good. Let's do add domain. Great. Now we want us to add those DNS settings. Let's see how we do it. So go here to options, set up Netlify DNS. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's do verify, add domain. Okay, great. And then it's telling us that he actually did it. Let's do continue. Okay, this is the most important part. It gave us addresses to put in our DNS settings, because basically what we want to do is to give the control of the domain to Netlify instead of GoDaddy or any other domain provider you have. So we need to copy that. We need to go here, and you need to go to your name server. In here, you want to change them, and you want to do I'll use my own name server, and we want to add all the 4 of them. Okay, it's really important part. I know it's confusing. Trust me, you will learn so much from it. In general, by the way, if you're actually going to make a SaaS platform. Great, so we're saving that. We're hitting continue. Great, it can take some time to update. From my experience, it usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it can be more. Let's just verify it's worked. Yeah, now it's here. And basically now you hit here done. And now you will need to wait, okay? Because until it will verify it, you can't really continue. So basically the way to check it is to hit here, verify DNS configuration. And you will see still nothing happened, and you will actually see it saying to you, it might take 24 hours, but from my experience, it's never take 24 hours. So just check it in after 10 minutes, and usually it's fine. If not, try to figure out, maybe you copy-paste something wrong or whatever. Okay, it took around 15 minutes, but now, as you can see, both of them are verified. So if now we'll hit here, it will go to the website. Now you can see it's still showing me it's not secure. That's also take a bit of time, and then it's solved, okay? So basically, as you can see, now we have our domain and everything is good. Now I want to show you what's happening actually when you're making changes to Lovables, because a lot of people think, so what, now it means that all the changes I will do won't go from Lovable? No, it will still work. Let me show you how it works. So for example, let's make some interactive animations in our landing page, okay? So I want some interactive subtle animations related to the mouse hovering and placement on the landing page. Okay, great. And now we can see he added like these subtle animations when I hover with the mouse. So that's the difference. To show you that, for example, here you could see we don't have those animations. So now I want to show you what's happening when I'm doing publish. Now when I will do publish, I will do here update. Let's go to Netlify. We go to site overview. And very soon you will see here it's going to load a new version from GitHub. So basically the way it works is you update the site in Lovable. Lovable send the changes to GitHub, and then Netlify fetch it from GitHub and update it in your custom domain. So this is the beauty of it, okay? Netlify is only like it's like a middleman. So all good. One moment and we will see it loading. Okay, it actually was too fast, but basically now you could see that the animations is there, okay? So we did a change in Lovable and it just changed in our website. Okay, so basically we finished. Let's just do one small touch-up, okay? So as you can see here in the top, it's saying caption wizard, something weird, and we don't even have the icon and stuff like that. So the way to fix it is actually a really stupid way, but basically let's just take a picture of the icon. You can do it much more smart way, but I want to show you like the dirty way. And I will go here and say, I want the header of the website to show this icon. And well, let's pass the image and just say clip caption. Currently it shows Lovable icon and says caption wizard. Okay, so now let's do publish, update, and now we should really soon see it in our deploys. Here, now you can see starting up because it got a new version to upload. And when it will say published, it means that the changes occurred. So right now we still see this caption wizard annoying thing. Now it transformed to building and it transformed to published. So let's get, okay, great. And now as you can see, we have the icon here